Good morning, class. So let us discuss power set. Power set is still under set theory. Well, obviously, because we still have the word set. Now, what is power set? Power set is a set of all subset of the given set. Yes. So let me write it for you. So we have a set of subset of a given set. So that is power set. So I'll give an example. If I have here set A with an elements of 1 and 2, the power set, this is the notation for the power set. So we have the power set of set A in the formula 2 raised to the power of n, where n is the cardinality of the given set. Do you still remember what is cardinality? It is the number of elements in the set. So if you have set A, what is the cardinality of set A, or the cardinal number of set A? Very good, it's 2. Therefore, 2 raised to the power of 2, that is 2 times 2, 4. It only means we have 4 elements in the power set. So there are 4. So what are those 4? So let me list it for you. So we have here the power set of set A. So it is a set. So meaning it should be enclosed with the braces. So the first set, since it is the set of all subset, meaning the elements are all set. So the first set is this one. It is a set with 1 as an element. It is a set. The second one is a set with 2 as an element. The third one is a set with elements 1 and 2. And the last set is an empty set. Okay. Always remember that all set has a subset of a null set. Okay, so let's try to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. We have 4 elements in our power set, and these elements are also set. So this is the power set. It is a set. It is enclosed with the braces. It is a set of all subset of the given set A with an element 1, 2. So this is power set. Let me give you another example. Let's have another color. Okay. Let's have set B. Set B with elements 1, 2, and 3. So let's try to solve how many elements are in our set. So we have 2 raised to the power of the cardinality, which is 3 times 2 times 2, we have 8. So let's try to find out the 8 elements or 8 subset of the given set. So it is a braces, so it is enclosed. It is a set, so it is enclosed with the braces. So the first one is individual. So you have 1, 2, 3. The second one is by 2 already. So 1, 2. And then you have 1, 3. And 2, 3. Do you get the pattern? You have last 2 already. We have the whole set itself. 1, 2, 3. And the last one, the null. So if you're going to count, let's try to count. So we have the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and the 8th. So we have already listed all the subset of the given set. Okay, so that is example number 2. Let's have another example. Example number 3. So if I have here set C with an elements of a null set, We have an MT, an A. So what do you think is our answer? First, let's try to identify how many. So raised to the power 2 raised to the power of n. 2. What is the cardinality of our set? 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. So still, we have 8 elements or 8 subsets. So the power set of set C is, first, it's a set individual. It is a set with an empty set inside. It is a set with an A as an element, and then we have by 2. Are you following? Okay, did you get the point? It's just presence of mind and distribution. That, so you have a null and then an A, and then you will have the empty and then the A, and then the whole set. There are a lot of braces here. Okay, and then the last one is our null set. So let's try to count how many. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So you have already listed all the elements, and these elements are the subsets of the given set C. Okay, do you understand now? Okay, do you want another example? Okay, I'll give you another example. Okay, so we have set D. If my set D is this one, I'll just make it more challenging. Okay, then this one. Like that. Okay. What is the power set of D? So it's 2 raised to the power of n. What is the cardinality of set D? Is it 4, 3, 2? What do you think is the answer? Okay, it's 1, 2, 3. 3. Now, remember that elements are separated by comma. It only means our first element is 1. Now, in this case, we have a braces here. So this whole thing is equivalent to our second element, and it's separated again by comma. So this one is our third element. So we only have 3 elements in set D. So our answer here is still 8. Now we need to find out the list. What are the power set of set D? So did you get my point in finding out the cardinality? You just have to be keen in observing the elements or how many. So you need to think about the comma and all. So you cannot make this, let me just put this like, you cannot make 1 and then you have this 2, because this one should be grouped because of the braces. So that is, this is equivalent to 1 element. Okay, going back, I know you understand it already. So let's try to list. So the first is individual. So the first element is 1. The second element is this one. So we will just write 2 and then you have, okay, that is the second element. The third element is this. Okay, now let's distribute. So we have 1 and this. Okay, very good. And then 1 you distribute, so you will have 1 and 3. Okay, and then distribute, you will have 2. It is 2 and the 3. Okay, And the last one, or the second to the last, is the whole thing. So you have 1, 2, okay, and then the third, okay, and our null set. There are a lot of braces here, but I hope you understand. But I know you are bright students, so you really understand this. So let's try to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, your 7, and your 8. Perfect. So again, it's individual, and then you have by twos. After by twos, you have the whole set, and then the null set. So this is power set. So power set. Okay. Let's have another example to make last example for you. So let's have, okay, F. E, kasi F na lang. So if I have F, so let me write first what is F. Let's have 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 4. Let's put some, so 1, 2, 4. Okay, so the power set of is 2 raised to the power of n. Well, obviously, I just given the last example is a bit easier. So 8. So you have the power set of F is, you have, it is a set. So again, individual, and then by 2. So you have 1, 2, and then 1, 4, and then you have 2, 4, and you have 1, 2, 4, and the last one is that one. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Very good, students. So you have our examples. Going back. So this is power set. We have already discussed the definition. We have our example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 example for power set. And I know you're excited. Our activities for power set to check if you really understand it. But I'm sure that you understand this. I'll give you an assignment to do. So this one. What is the power set of set G with an elements of 1? You have a null and B. Okay, so just comment. You may try it in your own. What do you think is the power set of this given set? Okay, so let's have our next topic.